Right, hi everybody. We are deep into seed packing at this time of year down at the chili farm. We collect roughly 2.5 million seeds every year. We do have a video on our germination testing, which is very important. Not many people, seed sellers, actually do germination testing, but it's important to us to know that the viability of the seeds that we're sending out and selling to you are absolutely spot on. So we aim for an extremely high germination rate. Once those seeds are passed in our germination rate, they're sent up to us to pack. They come in packs sort of around about 10 to 15,000 per pack, which are actually all packed manually. Now, that may seem like a laborious process, but it's really important for the last point of quality control. So what we do have, this very high-tech piece of equipment here, is actually where we count the seeds from, to make sure you get the correct number of seeds, but also we might look through here as we're packing the seeds to see whether there are any dark brown seeds, and the dark brown seeds indicate to us that it might not be a great seed to pack and sell. So as laborious as it might seem, it's really important. We pack something in the region of 9,000 packs of seeds every year. From the 2.5 million that are collected. Some of our popular varieties are packed in quite high numbers, so things like jalapeno, California Reaper, Ring of Fire, Scotch Bonnet, Padron, they're really popular, so we have to pack quite a few of those. But we're quite excited this year. We've got quite a few varieties coming on board that people in the chili community will certainly start to be aware of. Things like Mantis Claw, Purple Death, Chocolate Reaper, Mustard Butcherlockia, and the one that everybody wants actually is fried chicken. So we've got all of those coming on this year as well. It makes up about 144 varieties of seed we're sowing and packing this year. So we also keep some back, obviously, to be able to sell you plug plants, pot plants later on in the season. But the sowing season actually starts for most home growers, hobbyists, in January for the super hots, and maybe February, March for the Annuum varieties, things like jalapenos and so on. So it's around about now that people are starting to buy seeds ready to start their season, their 2026 season already. It could be that you're watching this video thinking, I know what a perfect Christmas present for my plant growing person in my life, and it would actually be a pack of seeds. So I'll show you roughly how we collect these seeds. As I say, it's quite manual, but we'll take some seeds here. These are Scotch bonnets, so we sell these in packs of 15, and always an escapee, one of the varieties, the newer varieties are in packs of 10. So once they're in the bag sealed, air can't get to them. They have a very long shelf life. In fact, most seeds are still viable after 3 years. But these are this year's, packed and picked. So we'll just tuck that into there, stick it down, and there you have your 2026 Scotch Bonnet seeds. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you're keen to have a look or have a browse on our website and see how many of the 144 varieties you'd like to sow for your season next year.